Manifest what you want in 24 hours. That's what we're talking about today. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Juliet Cleary, and if you're new here and you like this content, make sure to subscribe, tap that bell icon and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. All right, how can you manifest something in 24 hours? Can you manifest something that you want in one day? Absolutely. The universe does not care about time. Guys, the universe does not care about time. The universe does not care about time. It does not matter. This is all about you and your ability to kind of let go and just trust and just believe that it's going to happen for you, right? And that may take a little bit of practice, but you can do it and you can get good at it and you can kind of, I guess, create that ability within yourself that you can manifest things that you want super quick. There's no reason why you can't manifest something you really want in one day, right? Okay, so I want you to choose something. I want you to choose a goal, a desire, and if you have a lot of resistance, choose something small to start out with and prove to yourself that this works. Prove your power to yourself and the power of the universe. And then work your way up and do this with bigger and bigger things as you go, as you build that positive expectation. So firstly, you're going to write down your goal and then underneath, making sure that you're in a good feeling place, okay? You're not stressed, you're not feeling lack, you're just relaxed, you're feeling good. Okay, so you write down your desire. And then underneath, I want you to write down reasons why this can happen for you, why you can manifest it, reasons why things can manifest quickly for you or for anyone else. You know, things do manifest quickly. So write these reasons down, any reason that you can think of that this could happen for you. Then I want you, because this is building your beliefs around this, and then I want you to look for success stories. Look for people who are manifesting things in short amounts of time, all right? And ignore people who are saying it takes 5 years, it takes 10 years, it takes a year, whatever. Ignore that, because everyone is creating their own reality. So if someone tells you that, yeah, sometimes desires have to take 5 or 10 years, that's their belief and that's their experience that they've created. It doesn't have to be yours. Even listen to videos like this. Find other videos about manifesting in 24 hours and just watch them. Listen to these people's stories of what they've manifested in a short amount of time. This has happened to me again and again with different things. Even I would just think about something and then the next day, you know, I get an opportunity or I get a manifestation of that exact thing, or later that day, right? And sometimes they're small things and sometimes they're bigger things, but it doesn't matter. All right, we are so powerful. Even just start to notice how quickly you manifest things. For example, you focus upon a number. A number that I've always chosen to focus on is 22, right? And then I'll see how quickly that shows up. I've given a little bit of attention to it. And then I start seeing it everywhere. And then I'm seeing all these numbers line up. That is the law of attraction showing you, proving to you how fast things can flow into your life that you give attention to, right? And it's like, okay, it's just a number. Doesn't matter. Manifesting a number, like seeing a number, is no different to manifesting like $10 million. It's only your beliefs about it, all right? So this is about convincing yourself. And so now come back to your desire, come back to your goal, and I want you to give attention to this in a really positive feeling way. You put on music or you sit outside. You make this a really good feeling process, and you can either write or just think or speak out loud all the positive aspects of this desire. What's the reasons why you want it? And be purely positive. Do not mention what you don't want or what you don't like or anything to the contrast of this desire, okay? You're speaking or you're writing purely positively about what are these positive aspects? What do you like about your desire? What are you excited about? What makes you want this, right? What are the good feeling parts of it? Okay, and just go through that, write it down, say it out loud, build that positive momentum. 17 seconds is all it takes for the law of attraction to latch onto one of your thoughts. right? You do this, you give positive attention and you feel that positive emotion as you're focusing on this desire for a couple of minutes. And that's huge. Manifestation is underway, right? It's underway. And so now that you've done this and you have really built that positive momentum, you don't have to do anything else. If you feel inspired to keep thinking about it in a good feeling way, you do that, but don't force it, okay? Now you choose to let go and give it over to the universe and trust that the universe is going to deliver, all right? You've done the emotional work, you've done the vibrational work. Let the universe do what it knows how to do and give you the physical manifestation. Now, if you feel some sort of inspired impulse or you have some sort of inspired action you want to take it, right? Because that's guidance. But now is really your time to let go and go get happy and stay on this higher frequency for the most part, all right? You get into that higher frequency, you feel good. That means you're on the receiving frequency, the receiving mode, which is what I talk about in my program, the Aligned Manifestation System. All right, so you're in that receiving frequency, you're in those elevated emotions. That is the place where you can receive what you've asked for. All right, so let this be easy for you. All right, you can manifest what you want in one day and you can get to the point where you're getting so good at this. Maybe you're manifesting small things here and there and you're getting so good at this that, you know, anything you want, you get in a short amount of time, whether it's, 24 hours or a week or a month, but you're getting bigger things in shorter amounts of time. And that's because you've trained your beliefs and you know that you can have anything that you want. And you know you're a powerful creator and there are no limits for you, okay? So give this a go, all right? And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you go in the comment section below. If you're interested in one-on-one coaching or any of my programs, they're in the description box below. Subscribe if you haven't already, share this video, and guys, have fun. If you can treat this like a fun game, it's going to manifest. What you want is going to manifest for you so much faster, okay? So have fun. Truly have fun and expect the best. All right. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.